bench here in the middle of this field. It really couldn't be more perfect. It's probably 75 degrees, breezy, low humidity, beautiful blue sky. And after days of searing heat, followed by days of rain and fog, and then a day off running errands and being stuck in traffic, I could sit here for hours. Probably sit here 10 more minutes, but I could sit here for hours. What a perfect spot here in Northern Virginia. I just felt like I had to say it. All right. Well, so I'm not 100% sure, but I believe this is Route 66. I'm going under right here. And the last time I was on this part of Route 66, I was headed down to Georgia to start this whole thing. So that's pretty exciting. And it'll be officially, in my mind, what I think of as Northern Virginia. So that's pretty cool. All right, I don't know if you can hear, but there's the cicadas. The last mile I started seeing some signs, some of the brown shells on the ground. And I started seeing some dead ones on the ground. And now I can hear the noise. So up until my zero yesterday, I hadn't heard or seen a single cicada. And then they were full bloom in town. Now I'm a mile or two north of 66, and it seems like we're moving into cicada territory, although I'm still not seeing as many as there were in town. And the reason that I'm huffing and puffing is because I'm walking uphill. But had to share because we've been anxiously awaiting the cicadas in the mountains, and here they are. All right. Yeah, this is real safe. There's where I have to go. It's right across the road. There's all the cars going 80 miles an hour. Been here like 10 minutes. There's everybody coming back from DC. Here's some more. Maybe after this white truck. Do I want to run in front of a semi? All right, I'm gonna go for it. I'm going for it. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, that's nuts. Human Frogger, not fun. Well, about half mile from where I'm stopping for today. It's probably just before 6 o'clock, but I did a quick tick check because I've been walking through worse than what you see right now all day, and I had a deer tick on me, but it seems like I got it before it had a chance to bite or latch, which means it should be safe. But second tick on me that I know of. Of course, I'll still keep an eye out for any signs of Lyme disease, but should be all right. But that's why it's important to do tick checks whenever you stop and have a chance. I also drank the last of my water, so hopefully the shelter water is good, but gut hooked as it is, so I'm not worried. And if I remember, I'll film there. If not, this will probably be it for tonight. All right.